Hi friends, happy Monday. It's Miss Triwa. So this week for math, we're still in multiplication. We're still going, but we're almost done. We're on our 9 times table, so we only have a couple more weeks left of multiplication. Then we can take everything we learned in multiplication and use it in division. You're all doing amazing. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of how far all of you come, even with these weird, hard times. Somehow you are still amazing students. So a pat on the back for you guys because you really are doing amazing. So today we're going to be doing skip counting to find multiples of 9. Just like we did last week, we'll do a hundreds chart, we'll do the number line, and then we'll do some skip counting, and then you'll complete an activity, and then you can have a great day, and we'll keep going with our 9s for the rest of the week. Once we get through 9, we'll do 10 next week. 10s are easy. Do 11s. 11s are easy. And then we should be good to start division, my friends. So let's get started. Okay, so skip counting to multiply. So we have our hundreds charts here. And I know we've used them plenty of times. So we're going to continue to use our 100 charts to help us find the multiples of 9. So, 100 charts, remember friends, when we are skip counting by a number, we always start with that same number. So this week we're working with the number 9. So I'm going to go find the number 9 and I'm going to start there. Okay? So, we have 9. Now we're going to count 9 to find the next multiple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number did I land on, friends? 18. Awesome job. I'm going to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what number did I land on now? Awesome job, 27. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what number is this? 36. Awesome job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what number? 45. You're amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 54. Awesome job, friends. I'm going to actually stop there. We could keep going. I'll give you a little hint, though. It's going to go like this. Ooh, all the way down. Right? Until we get to 81, and then we would have got to 90. But awesome job, friends. Going to pause there. On a number line, it's going to be hard because 9 is such a big number compared to some of the other numbers we have done. So we're only going to be able to do 2 examples, but 2 is better than nothing. So the same thing, friends, whenever I am skip counting by a number, I always start that number. So I'm skip counting by 9, so I'm going to start at 9. And the same thing with the number chart. I'm just going to count 9 more now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I end on 18. And if my number line was longer, I could keep going. But for today's sake, we're going to stop there. All right, friends? So we're going to now see some of our multiples. Let me clear this, all right? Of 9, we're going to skip count by 9. We take it nice and slow because I want my friends to skip count with me. There's actually a trick for the 9 times table. When we actually get to multiplying tomorrow, I will show you that trick that could maybe help you also in the future with being able to solve your 9 times tables. Okay? So, but for right now, let's look at our 9. So remember, when we are skip counting by a number, we always start with that number. So we are skip counting by the lovely number 9 this week. So we're going to start with the lovely number 9. So now I want everybody to say it with me. Remember, when you hear it, see it, say it, you're more likely to remember it. So we're going to start with 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Let's do it again. There we go. Ready? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Awesome job, friends. That's all we're going to do for today, just focusing on skip counting to find our multiples. We'll do a little multiplication tomorrow, but we're also going to focus on skip counting to find our multiples. Awesome job, friends. So remember, when you are skip counting by a number, you always start with that number. And if you need to, you can just count 9 more to find the next multiple. All right, friends? So great job. Have a great day.